and aside from the personal factors, there's obviously a lot of controversy over his ability to run the Justice Department, over the FBI. We know that Donald Trump has said he wants to clean house there. Don Jr. has said that, others in the circle, Steve Bannon certainly, that he would be the hammer. Yeah. But that said, this is the Justice Department. Yeah. And the FBI has critical intelligence, counterintelligence about our enemies, terrorism, counterterrorism counterterrorism intelligence.
Yes.
All of the things you cover every day.
And there's no doubt, Andrea, that whoever comes next in this process will also be a person tasked with carrying out Donald Trump's stated vendetta against the Justice Department and the FBI. But there was really deep concern inside the FBI and the Justice Department about this particular nominee, in part because there are people who work over there who investigated him on a criminal basis. There are people whose job it is to investigate sex trafficking, and they were confronted with the idea that a person accused of sex trafficking was going to be their boss. But as you said, and leaving aside that case, then you go to the qualifications issue. Mr. Gates had barely practiced law, had not held any job that was remotely akin to running a huge department like this. And as you said, this is not just the top legal officer in the United States. The Attorney General is a very important national security figure with access to some of the same intelligence that the president gets, with access to very secret information about counterintelligence investigations by the FBI, FISA warrants. So there was great concern, even above and beyond the typical concern about what Donald Trump brings to the Justice Department. And, you had Todd Blanche, Donald Trump's lawyer, who's been elevated as the deputy. That is being greeted with a sigh of relief over there. He is a real lawyer who worked at the Justice Department. Matt Gaetz was the opposite.
And in the Department of Justice, the deputy, known as the DAG colloquially, has huge powers. That's right. More so than most deputies.
Yeah.
To run prosecutions, intelligence, and all the like.